Guys, today on ArzuluTech I'm going to be showing you how you can solve some of the popular issues with Windows 8. A lot of people find the new Metro UI displeasing, and the Metro apps, they don't work very well for those people. So if you're one of these people that finds a lot of problems with Windows 8 that you really want to have fixed, this video is for you, because I'm going to go around and tell you how you can make Windows 8 a much better user experience, more similar to Windows 7. And so it's some very simple fixes, like you can get the old start menu back for free. And so the first thing is, of course, the start menu, and it's called ClassicShell. It is free. The links are in the description. And all you do is download it, install it. That process is very simple, should only take you about 30 seconds to do. And once you've done that, you see it starts up here automatically. It's very similar to the old start menu, but what you should do now is right-click this and click Settings. And in here, you're going to want to make sure you have Show All Settings checked. And I highly recommend spending about 10 to 15 minutes going through these options and setting up your start menu exactly how you'd like it. Once you're done with that, you just push OK, and your changes will be saved, and your start menu will be completely customized to you. Alright, and the next thing is that people have noticed Windows 8 does not play DVDs. Of course, this is probably because Windows 8 seems like it was heavily designed around tablet use, and on a tablet, I do think it's the Windows 8, the Metro apps, Metro UI, it's good on a tablet, but not for a PC. You really should be using, PC apps and stuff. So, what you're going to want to do to help solve this issue is in the link there. Actually, in the description, there are two links. One is the 32-bit version of VLC Media Player. Second is the 64-bit version of VLC Media Player. Now, if you're familiar with VLC, you probably already have it, because it's a really good improvement over pretty much any other media player there is out there. I mean, it's lightweight, it's fast, it plays way more codecs than the default Windows media player. And of course, allows you to play DVDs. So to play a DVD, all you do is click Media, Open Disk, and then you push Play, and that should play a disc. But this program is very easy to install. Should only take you about a minute, and it's very simple. I mean, the interface here is very simple. I trust you guys can figure it out. And so now that you have that installed, what you're going to want to do is go to your Start menu. Your old one. And you can do that by clicking on the new one and going to the start screen there. But once you're in your old one, you should be able to find all your Metro apps. These Metro apps, most people find them just terrible. They take up your entire screen, and they're set as the defaults. So what I would do if I was you is I'd go through and uninstall all the Metro apps that you don't need. The only two I use are News and Weather. All the other ones I find can easily be uninstalled, no problem. And to uninstall something, you right-click on it and click Uninstall. Now, that's what I would do, is uninstall everything but News and Weather, unless there's another app you think you need. Now, with the email, I can understand keeping that one around, but I do prefer Mozilla Thunderbird. Mozilla Thunderbird I do prefer over the Outlook Metro app, because it is a desktop version, and it just has more features. So there is a link to Thunderbird in the description. That's also very easy to install and set up. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check that out. Now that you've uninstalled the Metro apps you don't need, you're going to want to set some defaults. Now to do that, go to the Charms bar, click Settings, go to Change PC Settings, and you'll be in here, I believe, originally. What you're going to want to do is go to Search and Apps, Defaults, and in here you can change your defaults. Of course, the web browser, whatever you want, that's fine. Email, I do recommend Thunderbird, so you can just click on that and set it to whatever you want. So if you've installed Thunderbird, go ahead and set that as the default. Music player should be VLC. Video player should be VLC. Photo viewer should just be the Windows Photo Viewer. And, calendar can be Thunderbird, but most people aren't going to be using calendar or a map address, since especially map address is really something like a tablet, not for PC so much. So once you've set your defaults, you go ahead and drag that down, and Windows 8 is now customized more like Windows 7, and you shouldn't have those problems you had before anymore, since we fixed them. So hopefully that fixes your issues with Windows 8. I hope you thought this video was helpful. and I'm going to go ahead and end this recording. So if you like this, go ahead and check out my channel, subscribe to it if you want to see more content like this, and go ahead and share, like the video, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.